Hello viewers, welcome to Enlighten Facts. Today we're gonna know about the 10 greatest scientists of all time. So let's get into it. And if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Over 100 scientists, we have sorted 10 most influenced and greatest scientists, and we have placed in at number 1 is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is the best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contribution to the development of theory of quantum mechanics. Relativity and quantum mechanics are together the two pillars of modern physics. His mass energy equivalence formula is equal to mc square, which arises from relativity theory, has been dubbed the world's most famous equation. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of photoelectric effects. And number 2, Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, theologian, and author, widely recognized as one of the greatest mathematicians, physicists of all time, among the most influential scientists. He was a key figure in philosophical revolution known as Enlightenment. He discovered this famous formula, F is equal to ma. Number 3, Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist, best known for his contributions to evolutionary biology. His proposition that all species of life have descended from common ancestor is now widely accepted and considered a fundamental concept in science. In a joint publication with Alfred Russel Wallace, he introduced his scientific theory that this branching pattern of evolution resulted from a process that he called natural selection, in which he struggle for existence has a similar effect to the artificial selection involved in a selecting breeding. And the number 4 is Galileo Galilei. Galileo, commonly referred to as Galileo, was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer, sometimes described as a polymath. Galileo has been called the father of observational astronomy. He discovered first modern telescopes. He was born February 15, 1564, and he died January 8, 1642. And the number 5 is Ibn-e-Sina. Ibn-e-Sina, commonly known as Avicenna in the West, was a Persian polymath who is regarded as one of the most significant physicians, astronomers, philosophers, and writers of the Islamic Golden Age, and the father of early modern medicine. Shazad H. Rizvi has been called Avicenna, arguably the most influential philosopher of the pre-modern era. He was a Muslim peripatetic philosopher influenced by a Greek Aristotelian philosophy. His most famous works are the Book of Healing, and Philosophical and Scientific Encyclopedia, and the Canon of Medicine, a medical encyclopedia which became a standard medical text at any medical universities. Number 6, Pythagoras. Memories of middle or high school geometry invariably include an instructor drawing right triangles on a blackboard to explain the Pythagorean theory. The lesson was that the square of the hypotenuse or longest side is equal to the sum of the square of other side. Simply put, a square plus b square is equal to c square. And the number 7 is Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher and polymath during the classical period in ancient Greece. He was taught by Plato. He was the founder of Lyceum and the peripatetic school of philosophy. In the Aristotelian tradition, his writing covered many subjects including physics, biology, geology, metaphysics, logic, ethics, statistics, poetry, theatre, music, arithmetic, psychology, linguistics, economics, politics, meteorology, geology and government. And the number 8 is Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist and microbiologist renowned for his discoveries of the principle of oxidation, microbial fermentation and pasteurization. His research in chemistry led to a remarkable breakthroughs in the understanding of causes of preventing of disease, which laid down to the foundation of hygiene, public health and much of modern medicine. His works are credited to saving millions of lives through the developments of vaccines for rabies and anthrax. He is regarded one of the founders of modern bacteriology and has been honored as a father of bacteriology, as the father of microbiology. The number 9 is Marie Curie. Marie Curie, the full name is Mary Salomia Sklodowska Curie, was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person and the only woman to win the Nobel Prize twice, the only person to win the Nobel Prize in 2 scientific fields. Her husband Pierre Curie was a co-winner on her first Nobel Prize, making them the first ever married couple to win the Nobel Prize and launching the Curie family legacy of 5 Nobel Prizes. She was 1906 the first woman to become the professor at the University of Paris. She was born in Warsaw in what was then the Kingdom of Poland, the part of Russian Empire. And the number 10 is Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni, the full name is Abu Rehan Mohammed Ibn Ahmed Al-Biruni, commonly known as Al-Biruni, was a Khazarman Iranian scholar and polymath during the Islamic Golden Age. He has been called variously the founder of Indology, father of comparative religion, the father of modern geodesy, the first person of anthropologist. Al-Biruni was well versed in physics, mathematics, astronomy, natural science, and also distinguished himself as a historian, chronologist, and linguist. Okay guys, that's all from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.